Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to call Siri using your earbuds REALME Buds T200 Lite. So, we need to add this feature to the gesture, because by default we cannot call a Siri with a gesture. Next, you need to have Android phone, because the application is not available for iOS, but it's available for Android phone. And on your Android phone, this earbud should be connected with your phone. Go to the REALME Link application, then tap at your earbuds here, and go to button settings. Now we need to add this feature to the gesture. You can add it for the double press, triple press, press and hold, for the left and right earbud. Let's say I wanna add it for the double press for my left earbud. I just tap at the double press and select voice assistant. Now let's check it. So 1, 2. My earbuds also connected with the iPhone, and as you can see I just awake Siri. So this one is the only one option how to do this. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!